The next activity we are going to talk about is how to do quiz on UEW Virtual Learning Environment, also known as UEW VClass. As we've said earlier, your quizzes that are due will be shown here. You could see that after submitting the assignment is not showing here again. This means we have a pending quiz. When we are done with the quiz, this quiz will also not show here. To do our quiz, we are going to go ahead and look for the course that we are supposed to do the quiz in. So I'm going to open my course. I've already opened it several times, so it has been placed in the recently accessed course session. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it to open the course. After opening it, now look for the quiz icon. This stands for quiz, and I have the name being new quiz. So I'm going to go ahead and click on new quiz. Now after clicking on the quiz, you'll be presented with some instruction and information on the quiz. The first one is about the number of attempts allowed, and then the time that the quiz will be opened, the time the quiz will be closed, and then the time limit. So it means this quiz was opened on Friday, 17 July 2020 at 4:50 p.m. and this quiz will close on Tuesday, 4th August 2020. That doesn't mean that you can start the quiz on 17 July and end it at 4th August. No, the quiz is only available within that time duration. But as a student, you have just 5 minutes. According to the quiz I'm doing now, your time can be 30, 60, whatsoever minutes. But for now, I have between 17 July and 4th August to do the quiz. And if I start or I click on attempt quiz now, I have just 5 minutes to finish it. So that is the information or some tips on the quizzes on UEW VClass. If you want to start the quiz, all you have to do is to click on attempt quiz now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on attempt quiz now to show some information that you need to read and be sure if you really want to start the attempt or the quiz. It says the quiz has a limit of 5 minutes. Time will count down from the moment you start your attempt, and you must submit before it expires. Are you sure you wish to start now? So if you wish to start, you click on start attempt. Now my attempt has been started. I have 4 questions to answer. How do I know? When you come here, you see the number of questions. Each question in these boxes. So I have 4 questions to answer. And then you can see the time to running. So time left. I was given 5 minutes. Now I have about 4 minutes and some seconds to finish with these 4 questions. And in my case, my quiz is having 1 question on a page. Yours could be 5 questions on a page or 10 questions on a page. Whatsoever it may be, you just have to answer the questions and move to the next page by clicking on next page button here. So I'm going to go ahead and answer my first question. It says, who is the current Vice Chancellor of UEW? I'm going to choose my answer. If you think you're not sure of your answer, you can click on clear my choice and it will clear and you choose the one you think is right for you. So after answering the first one, I'm going to move to the next page. If you have 10 questions there, you must answer all the 10 questions before you move to the next page. Then the next question also comes. I'm going to choose my answer. I'll go to next page since I have only one question. Then the third question comes. Which of the following campuses is the main campus of UEW? I'm going to click on Winneba. Then go to the next. Now I'm on my last question. How many campuses have UEW? I'm going to choose 4. And since this is the last question, I have finish attempt. So I'm going to go ahead and click finish attempt. After clicking on finish attempt, it doesn't mean you have submitted. No. When you click on finish attempt, it means your answers have been saved. You can either return to the attempt like this and go back and forth. Here too, it depends. If your lecturer allows you to move back and forth the pages of the quiz, then you can do so. If not, then you just have to move forward, finish the quiz and submit. So I'm going to go ahead and click on submit all and finish. If you forget to submit it, you could see that there's an information here says that this attempt must be submitted by Monday 3rd August 2:11 a.m. So if by that time you are not able to submit your quiz will not be submitted for grading or marking. So if you are able to finish all the questions, all you have to do is to click on submit all and finish. So I'm going to go ahead and click on submit all and finish. It says once you submit, you will no longer be able to change your answers for this attempt. So I'll go ahead and click on submit all and finish. Now my quiz has been successfully submitted. I have finished with the quiz. If the quiz is an end of sem exam, probably your marks won't be shown to you. But if it's a trial quiz or a mid-semester quiz, the correct answer or even the marks will be shown to you after you are done with the quiz. Here too, it depends on your lecturer. So this is shortly how to attempt quizzes on UEW VClass.